Altcoins outperform as rally gains steam. Crypto Daybook Americas. Your day ahead look for July 16, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Francisco Rodrigues. All times ET unless indicated otherwise. Traders are waking up to discover the crypto rally still has legs. Bitcoin BTC $119,742.42 is up 2% over the past 24 hours to $119,000 after U.S. consumer price data stirred talk that tariffs are feeding inflation. Even though the dollar strengthened after the Tuesday report, demand pushed through, with money flowing into U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs, which are seeing $700 million in total net inflows so far this week. Demand is further supported by corporate treasuries which, according to BitcoinTreasuries data, now hold 859,993 BTC worth over $100 billion. That figure is likely to keep growing, and Cantor Fitzgerald chairman Brandon Lutnick is in late-stage talks for a $3 billion Bitcoin treasury deal. Against that background, it's worth noting that altcoins are outperforming, with the CoinDesk 20, CD20, index up 3.5%. Ether, ETH, has risen 6% in the past 24 hours, jumping past $3,100, its best level since February, as companies start to consider it also a candidate for corporate treasury adoption. Just yesterday, SharpLink Gaming overtook the Ethereum Foundation as the largest corporate holder of ETH. Strategic Ether reserve data shows that companies now hold 1.6 million ETH. In addition, spot Ether ETFs in the U.S. added $192 million yesterday, for a weekly total of $451.3 million. Crypto investors are now bracing for the House debate on the Genius Act, a bipartisan bill that could halt yield-bearing U.S. stablecoins while giving stablecoin issuers greater clarity. President Donald Trump has said Republican lawmakers who objected to a trio of crypto bills, including the Genius Act, are now ready to approve them. If the bills pass, funds now chasing stablecoin interest may pivot to staking and other Ether-based strategies. That would potentially reinforce Ethereum's importance within the digital asset ecosystem. Marcus Thielen, founder of 10x Research, said in a note shared with CoinDesk. Looking ahead, producer price inflation being released by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics will be closely watched, as will speeches by several Fed governors for hints on the central bank's monetary policy as Trump calls for rate cuts. For now, both the CME FedWatch tool and Polymarket point to a 97% chance that rate cuts won't happen this month. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10th that allows general counsels, compliance officers, and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. Space is limited. Use code CDB10 for 10% off your registration through July 17th. By Shoria Malva. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source: Farside Investors. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai, holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at currency and commodities desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron, and DOT. Shoria is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shoria holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, Mana, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, Perp, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetix, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun.